All right, guys, we are changing our air filter out today. This is the 2019 Ford Expedition. Like always, we just bring you guys along and put info out there so you guys can have something to see on how to do something if you're doing it too. So we're changing the one under the hood. The Ford Expedition also has a cabin air filter. We just changed that one, so make sure to check out that video. That's the one that's going to be more complicated. But for this, we're just going to undo these clips. So we're just going to pop these up. And it's super simple. I'm not even going to try to take any of this off. So we're just going to lean this up a little bit. This should slide right out. Just wiggle it. And then you can see the old air filter right there. She's got some, she's dirty. She's dirty. It's been a couple years. So we're putting a new one in. So we're just really just going to hold that up. Going to slide this in. It should fit pretty snug. Let's see. There we go. Get it in there the right way. And there you have it. So you're just going to put this back on, wiggle it around so that it gets on there. We're just going to slide this over. Going to tilt this with our hand. Wiggle that in like that. And get it past that rubber piece. And then boom. Then on this front, you're just going to push this down, push that up just like that. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So like I said, I think that filter was like 20 bucks, 21 bucks at AutoZone. So, don't pay more than you have to. Every dollar counts, right? But that's how to change the just regular air filter on the 2019 Ford Expedition. Click this video for the cabin air filter. That one's a little more involved. It'll take a little bit longer, but we try to make it simple for you guys. So I'll check that out and make sure you hit like and subscribe. We got some other videos too. If your tail light goes out or anything like that, feel free to check out those as well. So thanks for watching.